This video shows you how to make little trees like this quickly and inexpensively, and to help you overcome the biggest problem that exists with many railroads, a definite lack of trees. Start with a weed like this that I gathered on the edge of a pasture or something similar, and by using this you can develop your own forest of different type trees that look similar to this. Use your own creative ideas as to coloring and shaping. So let's get started. The first thing we do is take the weed and we spray it with brown paint. We have to spray it so that it's solid, it sticks together, so the seeds don't come off the top of the weed. Then it is a matter of trimming that weed. Don't throw away the base. You'll see that we can use it. We trim the weed and put some white glue along the tips. That's about 80% glue and about 20% water. I thin it just a little bit. Cover it on the edges. Don't use hairspray. We don't want the flock sticking inside. So when you get done with that, now you have the base of your tree. Then it is a simple matter of adding flock. This is a coarse turf type flock. The flock I'm using is homemade. I made it from a kitchen sponge. I patterned it after one of the major suppliers' flocks, and I colored this kitchen fund with some pigments that I got at the building supply, mixing blue and yellow to get the color green I want. And look, this is the first cut. We're going to come back and now we'll touch it with hairspray after this dries and fill it out. You'll see the results at the end. Now here's the bottom. Now look what I do. I cut the bottom off and trim it. Now all these little trimmings also can be flocked and used as small bushes around your layout. Once again, it's just a simple matter of adding some glue and then covering it with flock. You'll see how fast these can be made, and the only cost is the cost of the flock. When I use a homemade sponge, put it in a blender. I have another video on how to make that flock. So it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. You see how fast these go up, and in short order you can have hundreds of trees to go on your layout. Remember, most layouts can take hundreds and some larger thousands. If you buy them, you break the bank. If it takes an hour or two to make a tree, it takes forever. Using a procedure like this, you can build a forest like this in 20 minutes to a half hour. And they place well. You stack them well. You can combine the weeds and make larger trees. I hope this has been informative, and give it a try. Use your own ideas when you flock them. This image shows trees and bushes along the fence made using this technique. They are very versatile. You can stick them anywhere. Just use your own ideas. I hope this has been informative. Please share this, and I sure would appreciate it were you to subscribe and hit the like button while you're at it. It helps us make more videos and keep everyone informed. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.